What can you break even if you never pick it up or touch it?
I promise.
Yeah. So what can fill a room but take up no space? Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel. Hope you guys are doing well. How's your week been so far? Chi, how are you today?
I'm good. I mean, we just finished shooting the one for you, and the match got 10/20.
Yeah, so we are back with part 2 of the brain teasers. Choma shocked me. See, I was even very surprised that I got 10/20. If you haven't watched my parts, just go to our last video and you'll see it.
Those questions were actually, you have to give it a deep think before you figure out the answer.
So we are here to see how smart Choma is.
No, you're going to measure your smartness.
So I'm going to be asking her 20 brain teasers and hoping that she at least beats the 10/20.
So you've set the record.
Yeah, set the record.
No. I'm worried for myself now. But you don't use it to judge our intelligence.
No, we're not using it because that thing was really hard. I was almost embarrassed. So no. Okay, so are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. The first question is, what building has the most stories?
You shocked me. What building?
What building has the most stories?
Building? Oh, a library.
Yeah, because of
because
novels.
there's a lot of books. Yeah.
Yeah. So, what can fill a room but take up no space?
Air, light.
Yeah, the light can.
Air as well, I think.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, air and then light as well. 2/20.
Let's hope that we keep this.
Okay. So if you drop me, I'm sure to crack. But give me a smile, and I'll always smile back. What am I?
If you drop me, I'm sure to crack. But if mirror, I wanted to say camera, but the camera is still kind of the concept of mirror. Yeah.
Okay. I'm always in front of you, but can't be seen. What am I?
I'm always in front of you, but cannot be seen. I'm always in front of you. Tomorrow. Future.
Yeah, the future.
The future.
Okay, you've actually not failed anyone. Okay, so take away my first letter, and I still sound the same. Take away my last letter, and I still sound the same. Even take away my middle letter, and I still sound the same. What am I?
This is giving me the vibe of, even if you remove everything, it's still empty.
Okay, so
a word, empty.
Yeah, empty. Yeah, correct.
If you remove the first letter, it's empty. If you remove, I remember.
Okay. So what goes through towns and over hills but never moves?
But never moves. What's this one? It sounds like river, but river moves. What goes through towns
and over hills but never moves?
But never moves. It's not air.
No.
But never moves. What goes over towns and mountains?
And hills, yeah, but never moves.
Is it trees?
No. But it could pass at trees, but the answer here is not trees.
What's the answer?
Have you given your distance? The answer is a road.
Oh. Are you saying it could be tree?
It could be tree because trees also they don't move.
But trees kind of grow, so you could call that a movement.
Yeah, but a road. Yeah. I have 4 legs in the morning, 2 at noon, and 3 in the evening. What am I?
What is this thing that is having so many legs? 4 legs in the morning, 2 in the afternoon. And this one is octopus. Oh. I don't know. What's the answer?
And the thing is very weird because they said the classic riddle of Sphinx, which is a baby, an adult, and an elder with a cane.
What?
Exactly. So a baby crawls. Then an adult, you stand on your 2 legs, and then an old person. It doesn't make
any
sense.
The answer is somehow. I don't. Okay, an elder with the extra.
Stick.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, called it a classic riddle of Sphinx or fence. Yeah, fence. Okay, so the next one, what never asks a question but gets answered all the time?
Question. A question has to get answered. What gets
In 3, 2,
prayers?
what?
What prayers get answered?
Is it all your prayers that is answered?
So what is this one?
A phone. Okay.
Okay. That was really fun my brain.
Okay. I fly without wings. I cry without eyes. Wherever I go, darkness follows me. What am I?
I cry without.
I fly without wings. I cry without eyes. Wherever I go, darkness follows me. What am I?
Is it the crowd?
Yeah, the cloud.
But the crying part is okay when it rains.
When it rains, yeah. So when it rains, and then for wings because it moves.
Yes.
And then I cry without eyes.
Darkness, like when it's moving, is
it's
carrying
counted.
darkness.
Yeah, that's very. I would have even thought about it.
I think the cry made me think of rain.
Forward, I am heavy. Backward, I am not. What am I?
Forward, I'm heavy. Backwards, I'm not. Spell the not. N-U-T or N-O-T.
N-O-T.
This is giving that shorter whatever. Turn. Turn.
Yeah, so like turn and not.
Yeah, like it not. Like backward, I'm not. I am not. And then forward, I'm...
Turn. Yeah.
Okay.
Like if you convert
If you turn it,
yeah. What has an eye but cannot see and is faster than you can run?
They have eyes, but they cannot see. I wanted to say shadow, but shadow does not have eyes. But they're faster than you can run. Is it your mind? This is giving the vibe of, you know, that song we used to sing in secondary school. Some have eyes but cannot see. I don't know what it is.
Okay, so the answer is hurricane.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know how that's okay.
Oh, like you know that when it's well, you normally have an center.
Like
Oh, I see.
The more you take, the more you leave behind. What am I? This one was very popular back in the days.
Wait, the more you take, the more you leave behind. What is this thing that they're taking? The more you take, the more you leave behind. Emotions.
How?
I don't know.
The answer is footsteps.
Oh.
The more you walk, the more you leave behind.
Yeah, makes sense.
So this one is, what can you break even if you never pick it up or touch it?
A promise.
Yeah. Okay. The more there is, the less you see.
It's not your future, your age. How do you see your age? Wait. Is it darkness?
Yes.
That makes sense.
What has one eye but cannot see?
What has one eye but
Cannot see.
I don't know what it is.
Okay, so the answer is the needle's eye. What can run but never walks? Has a mouth but never talks?
Mouth. Can run. I don't know.
Okay, so the answer is river. You know river eats up people.
I wanted to say river, but like where's the mouth?
You know how they say miri in the river?
Oh.
So I think
I wanted to say the river.
Sorry, my dear. I am light as a feather, yet the strongest person can't hold me more than 5 minutes. What am I?
More than 5 minutes. Why? They are very specific.
I am light as a feather, yet the strongest person can't hold me more than 5 minutes. What am I?
Breath?
Yeah.
My mind went to swimming and I'm like, okay.
What comes once in a minute, twice in a minute?
Of course I know that. It's M.
Okay, so I have keys but no locks, space but no room. You can enter but can't go outside. What am I?
You can enter but can... It's not the heart.
No.
You can enter but not go outside. So if you enter, you've entered.
Yeah, if you enter, you've entered.
Well, this question is sounding. Ask it again, please.
I have keys, but open no locks. Space, but no room. You can enter, but you cannot go outside. What am I?
Keyboard! It's keyboard.
Okay. What begins with T, ends with T, and has a T in it?
What begins with a T?
Yeah. Ends with a T, and has T inside it.
What kind of question is tent? No. No, like this is a brain teaser, so it has to. It begins with T, ends with T,
And also has T in it.
Is it not T? It's T.
No.
T
T does not end with T. T is T-E-A.
Like T start with T, it's just single T.
Yeah, so it begins with a T and ends with a T. And
it's letter T now.
Okay.
I don't know.
So the answer is a teapot. A teapot has T in it.
Oh.
Starts with a T and ends with a T.
Whatever.
I think you almost got everything.
If I hear I was getting a lot of them.
No. You got Brett 1.
1.
You got the minutes,
2.
thousands. Okay. You got keyboard.
3.
Pot. No, you failed the teapot.
Yes.
3.
No,
you failed the hurricane. Okay, you got the torn knot.
Yes.
Okay, how many now?
4.
You got the cloud.
5.
You didn't get the phone. You didn't get the elder. What goes through a road? You didn't get that one. You got empty.
6.
What can fill up a room? Light. You got it.
7. Yes, I got it.
You got the future one, right?
Yes. 8.
You got the mirror one.
9.
9. Then you got a promise.
10.
Then you got. Did you get the darkness one?
Yes.
Yeah.
11.
11.
I tried.
She surpassed me with 12.
Just to prove that the later will be better than the previous. Yeah, that sounded like a lot of questions. Yeah.
So she got 11 questions.
Those questions are not easy.
No, you really, I'm very proud of you. I'm not like, see, we're not Olodos over here. So you really, really tried. I'm very proud of you. Well done. Because it's been so long I did like this riddles, this thing. Don't worry, next one we'll do geography, mathematics, physics, all those.
I like geography anyways. Let's see.
All those ones. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you also have any brain teaser or questions at all that you want us to do, make sure to leave it in the comments. We'll be playing more of these games, okay? And we'll see you in our next video. Bye.